Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to take not just a PDF that's open in Adobe, but a PDF where the teacher has written down in handwriting, printed all over this document. So we already know that if we use Mathkicker.AI or several other AI programs, that it will pull the text out very nicely. The challenge is when you get a whole bunch of print. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this PDF and we are going to put it through Mathkicker. Now, Mathkicker now offers an enormous amount of pages. This is 88 pages that I'm going to put through Mathkicker, and it will translate the text, which we pretty much expect from most AI programs, but it's also going to pull out all the print that is throughout this. And I'm just going to scroll down so you actually see it. She actually drew pictures here also. Now of course, the transcriber is going to tactile those for the student. But how great if you combine, the transcriber combines alt text, which I highly suggest. So just put the alt text, you're going to type that in underneath of that. That's just right click or applications key A for edit alt text, and put the alt text in there so when the student is reading the graph, they can actually use the alt text to kind of clue them in on exactly what they're feeling. So I highly suggest that also. Anyway, you get a glimpse right here of all the print throughout. I don't have my screen reader on because it will talk a mess. So it won't be able to do that. So let's go ahead and go to Mathkicker now, and we are going to put that through. Now, I will tell you, Mathkicker has added a new donate button. They have been doing all of this free. Of course, it gets very expensive to do it free. So the donate button, no matter what you can donate, please do donate to Mathkicker.AI so they can keep endeavoring on improving this constantly. It will really help them out tremendously. Now, I, of course, want to put this into a DOCX. So I'm going to choose the button option, convert PDF image file to DOCX. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You can also tab to that. And we're going to go to the downloads folder. I'm going to go ahead and choose the unit 6 on that, and I'm going to convert it. Now, it's 88 pages. It's going to take a little while. So I'm just going to speed this up. Okay, and beautiful. And that did take about 3 minutes, but you have to remember that was a totally inaccessible PDF, and of course had images on it. So I'm going to go ahead and save this in my downloads folder. And we're going to go ahead and open the file. Here we go. Oh yeah, you can probably visually see that have been working directly in Mathkicker for advanced math techniques also. Okay, let's go ahead and put this into position. Here we are. We're going to go ahead and enable editing. Okay, and now you can let me Alt V and Z and get this into position. So your graphics are still there. Once again, applications key or right click and go down to view alt text. Go ahead and make this alt text so the student can go ahead and follow along with all the graphics. Now, you're going to see little things like OPIC. So you're going to go ahead and do a Control H. Actually, I'm going to show you a faster trick. If you select this and do a Control H, it automatically puts it in Find What, and you're going to replace that with topic. So everywhere there is a topic word, it's going to replace it. I'm going to do Alt A, replace all, or click on it. I have 6 replacements. And so that's how you fix mistakes very, very quickly. You can see this beautiful font. Now, we do expect that of AI. And then you have this image, and it is an image of all the text, but let's go ahead and keep going down. So you will see that, and I highly hit suggesting F7 so you can catch those little issues. But you'll notice the tables, it went ahead and changed those to the tables. Here's a graphic. The transcriber is going to go ahead and do that. And here is all the print font that was printed out. And of course, it is beautiful text. This was all printed out also. And graphic, this is a graphic that's going to be transcribed out. overestimate, that's not going to do it because, of course, it has fluffy clouds around it, but it got all the other print in there. Here's all of this was printed out also. We love that. So as long as the teacher is printing pretty nicely, it will pull it out. You will have some odd mistakes like onder and un-er, because it can't pull out all that print perfectly. But of course, F7 will catch it. This is all printed out. And look at this beautiful math. And it puts it into the math editor in Word. So this allows you to transcribe very quickly. The transcriber absolutely, that's all printed out. The transcriber absolutely needs to go through this because this is math. There's no room for errors. We know when you have a word, typically you can actually figure it out. What I also highly suggest, look at that, print, beautiful, but of course this is intermixed in the graphic. And if you actually put this through an AI program, it will actually pull out this image beautifully and so on. So you can see how this translates pretty nicely. Highly suggest going into Edge, Copilot, Control Shift period. You're going to be in the edit box, Shift Tab one time to the plus, hit enter and open it, tab to describe image or upload image, and then just ask it to describe it. It does a phenomenal job of describing it, which will help you alt text all these. So once again, this is for the transcriber. To alt text it, it will even pull out these numbers also for the alt text here. So that will help keep down on the transcription. Anyway, this translates into 125 pages. Once again, Mathkicker has really upped their quota and quotient on how much you can translate into beautiful print. So that is how you can utilize AI to actually make these totally inaccessible, ginormous documents that the teachers send out that are not really that accessible. But of course, this speeds up the work for the transcriber. So that is a lesson on the new updated Mathkicker. That is an update on the new Mathkicker, and of course it has added that feature. And then please do donate to their cause, so of course they can keep going and in constantly improving this. So anytime you find that it's gone down, it's because they're working on it. Okay, thanks so much, and we'll see you in the future for more lessons.